In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Open Canva and create a new video project. Let's use this image as an example. Drag and drop it into the page. Then, increase the size to fit the page. Go to Elements and search for Black Circle. Go to the Frames category. Scroll down to find this frame. Click to add it to the page. Increase the size and place it in the middle. Then click the image and click Duplicate. Drag the duplicate inside the frame. Double-click the image inside the frame and make sure it matches the first one. When finished, click Done. Now duplicate this page. Go to the first one. Select Image and Frame, increase the size. Next, click on the frame and rotate it. Now move your cursor between the two pages and click Add Transition. Choose Match and Move. Increase the duration as needed. That's it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.